Should we meet like this? Annyeong?
Yeah.
Well,
We do
good.
this also.
Or we'll do this. Well, always a pleasure to speak to you on and off camera. But I
Same
must
here.
say, lockdown में आप बहुत productive रही हैं यार.
Well, कहीं ना कहीं तो productive होना चाहिए ना मैम.
वो तो है. But squashing headlines also in a good way also.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
that is
yeah.
most
That's good.
important.
Yes, yes.
तो अब नारप्पा फैमिली मैन से लेके नारप्पा नाउ योर कैरेक्टर शुचि जी की तरह तो कुछ नहीं है ना इसमें.
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. It's nothing like Suchi. This character's name is Sundaramma, and this also is like a character where she goes to any lengths to protect her family, and it is seen throughout the film. Well, she's very बहुत एक feisty character है, एक बहुत raw rustic look भी दिया है because it's more like it's a village based story obviously, and we are sticking to the original as much as possible that we can, and yeah, so the whole thing is that she's very feisty. She's not afraid of what she wants to, whatever she wants, she's not afraid to ask for it, but yes, there is a certain incident which happens which makes her sort of, that feistiness is sort of subdued a little, and it's like she goes to any lengths to protect and save her family, and up to what lengths can both the father and the mother go to protect their family is what the whole story is about. And it's all about, there is a lot, there is violence, there is action, and everything is there which will definitely keep you at the edge of your seats, but underline there is a nice family story, family sentiment also happening, in the whole story.
You also tend to pick up characters like that, they are not your covering themselves in distress, and you pick up these strong characters. Do you do that intentionally? And also as an actor, I want to ask you, because sometimes the character sketch jo aapko arc milta hai, many times we are not those people, though we may aspire to be like them. So how does it work with you?
No, I think I'm really fortunate that I'm getting good characters to perform and to show my, other side also, not only, I mean, I think I've already been there, done that. And by that, I mean, running around trees and dancing and going to Switzerland and going to Australia and whatever, and, singing around the trees and the oceans and on the busy roads and all with the heroes. I mean, that is also there. If it is there, I would love to do it. I'm not saying that it's wrong, but I'm saying probably at this point, they want, I guess, the change is also happening where, they're getting a lot more performance-oriented roles. Their roles being written for heroines and things like that. So I think I'm really fortunate that those who are approaching me, they think that I can carry the character pretty well. They think I can do justice to the character, and so I think I'm happy that I got a chance to be a part of such a wonderful film like Narappa.
I'll be very honest with you. I've observed you through your career. You have a very malleable face that, वो जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो किसी भी ढांचे में पड़ जाएगा. Which in a way I think is very good, because otherwise वो हो जाता है ना, आप typecast हो जाते हैं, नहीं आपका look में पड़ेगा, आपका look में पड़ेगा. So I think that's something that really works for you.
Yeah, I think so too, and I'm really fortunate and happy that I'm getting to play different kinds of roles. I have played, and I'm also continuing that right now.
Totally. So did you see the original or did you avoid it?
No, I did see the original much before it came to me. I did see the original, and I absolutely fell in love with the movie, and I think the director Vetrimaran has done a fabulous job. No words to say about Dhanush and Manju Warrier also, because I think Manju Chechi has done this role with such class and such, she's portrayed the role so beautifully, and I know for a fact that, those who have seen the original, definitely comparisons are bound to happen, but at least, I'll be happy if they say that, even if I've done like 5% of what Manju Chechi has done, that will be like a huge compliment for me, because I don't think there's anybody who can match up to what she's done. But saying that, I have also given my 100% to this, and I've tried to bring in my own style and my own difference to the character, and I hope, people like this also.
And you know what I like about you is you're coming from a place of confidence. Usually किसी को बोलो ना आपने remake देखी comparison होंगे वो बहुत unfair होता है. Here you are saying they're bound to be. I'm okay with it. More power to
No,
you, yaar.
see, let's face the fact that, you know, if you do a remake, obviously, you know, the comparisons are bound to happen. I mean, and that too for such a film which is, you know, I mean, people all over have seen the film. So obviously, when we came out with the trailer and things like that, yes, I mean, I did receive a lot of people saying, "Oh, this is the, you know, this is the Asuran's remake, Asuran's remake." So I said, just watch the film, and then you'll know. I mean, yes, it is the remake, but you know, obviously to suit the nativity of Telugu, we have actually changed quite a bit here and there. But predominantly, we are sticking to the original, and yeah, for the nativity, we have changed a bit, and I have dubbed on my own, and the slang is completely different. And so, yeah, as I said, comparisons are bound to happen, but I think we have given it our best to bring out a, you know, a original for the Telugu audience. And so those who have seen, they'll know what it is about, but those who haven't seen, it'll be like a new film for them.
And it's also a very strong message about fight for your rights and, you know,
Yes.
not to keep
Yes.
silent. And I think in these times, we may say it's set in the rural areas, but rural, urban, nothing has changed because people are still you know, so was that also something that appealed to you before you picked up the project? What was your go-to when you said, "Main to ye kar rahi hu"?
No, I think first and foremost, I just love the fact that the whole idea about casteism and you know, fighting for your rights came about in such it was portrayed in such a way. And because generally what I feel is you know, more than in the cities and the urban places, the rural places, you know, more such you know, the problems are rising, and they are already, you know, they've always been there from a long time. So to bring about such a movie with such a strong message and things like that, I think it's a good way to at least bring about saying, look, it is prevalent. So at least if we can, you know, try to do something from our side to probably, you know, maybe bring about a I don't know if I can say change, if that brings about it, well and good, but at least we want to make people aware that such a thing it's still prevalent in the rural areas.
And absolutely, you're also multilingual. You have also done cinemas across like the southern industry and the northern as well. But एक बार मैंने notice किया ये पूरे lockdown में, I mean, we all know the content from the south has been superlative. Remakes करते हैं. But now everybody sat up and noticed. What do you think has brought that about? And everyone's saying, ये content तो हमने कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा. Now suddenly everyone has risen to it.
If you're talking about Narappa, I think it's probably such a you know, probably the way it has been done in a different way. I mean, yes, there are a lot of films that have come about, like, and by that I mean a lot of village-based stories have come about. But I think talking about this particular film, you get to see Venki sir in a new avatar. You get to see you know, the story in a new avatar, because as far as I know, Venki sir has not done such a character, such a raw, rustic character, you know, in his span of career. I mean, how many of films that he has, the amount of films that he has done. I think this is the first time he's going to be portraying such a, you know, a raw, rustic village look, and obviously he's done it. He's done a fabulous job. I don't have to, you know, pick and say that what a great actor he is. And obviously, this is my first time I'm going to be I've portrayed a character like this for the Telugu audience. And the song is good, the background music is good. Obviously, we've got a fantastic director who's directed it, and it's his first time directing a mass movie like this, because before this, his genre is more on the family-oriented, you know, very nice family-based subjects. This also has a family-based, but family-based storyline is also there, but it's, you know, portrayed in a different way. So I think all this combination has worked out for us. And obviously with Suresh Babu sir coming in and producing the movie, and with Suresh Productions coming up and producing this, and obviously with Amazon, it's coming out on Amazon. So I think it's a win-win situation for all of us, and I think that's what has everybody has loved the fact that the trailers look so gripping, and everybody is looking forward for watching the film, as am I.
No, also because now also I feel that वो lines blur हो गई हैं, that this, you know, it's all become pan India. पहले वो होता था ना, like even in the north, the southern films would get the theater slots, but it would be restricted to areas where people wanted to watch these films. But now I'm glad with Amazon, we're getting to watch a lot of content. I mean, also it's like everybody has realized the treasure trove of stories and production values in the South.
Yes.
And finally, do you think like at last, I mean, it's been there, but now it's there for everyone else to see also?
Yeah, and I can definitely say that Amazon as a platform, definitely, I mean, it caters to such a large audience. I mean, more than 200 countries. So we have a lot of Telugu speaking people also all over the world. So, you know, I think this was the best decision taken by the team, and I couldn't have been happier.
आपको कुछ फ्राइडे जिटर्स होते हैं पिक्चर की रिलीज से पहले कुछ सुपरस्टिशन
वो तो हमेशा होता ही रहता है just to see how
what is the thing like you don't watch the reviews, you don't read anything, how does it work?
No, for me, I don't, honestly speaking, I don't keep in too much of expectation like, oh my god, you know, the movie's releasing, is going to be a super hit or not. Jaisa hai waisa hai, matlab if there are really good reviews coming up, we will, you know, be happy for it. If the negative reviews are also coming, we'd see to it why it is coming. At least personally for me, I would see to it that why are they targeting and why are they saying that, you know, this probably this portion is not nice, or whatever be the reason why they are, you know, not liking the particular film. I'm not talking about Narappa, I'm talking about the others as well.
But generally,
crossed and touched wood that, you know, this movie we've worked really hard. Day and night we have actually, you know, we've put in a lot of hard work. We've actually traveled to the actual locations and we've shot, and so we have put in a lot of hard work and just praying and hoping that people like the film.
So and also with that all that love and hate coming for Shuchi, कुछ कम हुआ है क्या अभी भी जारी है?
कम हुआ है, but yeah, it is there, but from what it was to what it is now, बहुत कम हुआ है, and I'm happy.
But it's amazing how people have literally taken you to be Shuchi. That I think is the success of the character and you as an actor, yeah?
Yeah, seriously. I think I'm absolutely loving the fact that, you know, at least now there's just like earlier after Family Man 2, up till I think about 2 weeks back, a lot of people were messaging saying, oh, Arvind ke liye ready ho rahi hai, Arvind ne bulaya hai, Shrikant ko dhoka nahi dena chahiye and all that. But now all that comments have come down. It's hardly like probably like 1 or 2 persons who are typing that, and that's okay.
Chalo, wo bhi theek hai. So I mean, coming back to Narappa, what was it like working with Venkatesh?
Oh, Venki sir it's an absolute pleasure, absolute delight to work with Venki sir. He's such a sweetheart, very, very down to earth person. And obviously the first day of working with such a huge star, you feel, I was definitely nervous. But he never let me feel nervous around the set. He made me feel so comfortable, even Suresh Babu sir also. And it was just like a walk in the park, because we used to have so much of fun in between shots. Basically, we used to talk in Tamil and things like that and just get the mood, lighter. But obviously when we were, you know, on, when the director said start camera and till he said cut, we were all like obviously focused, and, you know, we had to get the dialogues right and the expression right and things like that. So we did have a couple of rehearsals and all that. But apart from that, it was pretty much a cakewalk for me, because it was kind of, it was nice working with Venki sir. I mean, I had so much of fun with him. Obviously, he's a fantastic actor, and he's given his heart and soul to this character. And I'm just hoping that, you know, everybody likes it and the movie does really well for all of us.
And also they say actors na poor things, they tend to develop multi-personality disorder. इतने characters play करते हैं. आपको कभी ऐसा हुआ that you got into the zone so much and that you have to like kind of snap out of it, saying like, I am not hurt?
You know, fortunately for me, I have never had to go into a zone per se, because I'm very spontaneous. I'm very instinctive. So for me, it is just start camera till the director says start camera and cut. I'm just the character. After that, I'm out of it. I don't generally tend to take it back with me or be in that zone for how much ever time the shooting is and things like that. So मुझे तो personally मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ. But I can definitely say that Parathiveeran was one film where I had to like literally, because we shot for about 160 days or 180 days for the film. So that sort of was there with me even after I finished the film, that the process, the heaviness of the character was still there with me for at least around 4-5 days. It was there with me. And then only then I slowly had to get out of it. Purely because, I mean, that was the first time because such a heavy character was, I was playing such a heavy character on screen, and the dubbing and, all that, it just like literally took a toll on me. And so I had to like give about 3-4 days or 5 days to come out of it. But apart from that, after that, I was pretty much there. That's it.
Now, which is one character that you're really wanting to play?
Which I want to play?
Really?
I really want to play a negative shade. I mean, just at par with the hero, right? She's there right from start to the end. She's at par with the hero. I don't know if physical fights will happen or whatever, that we'll have to rule that out, because obviously physically, it's not possible to match up to a hero's strength physically, but at least mentally and emotionally, if she can give him a fight, why not?
Why not have our own desi, Black Widow, Wonder Woman?
Of course, why not? I mean, that is also there, but I'm just saying that, in a movie with a hero at par with him, giving him, sleepless nights throughout the movie, like right from start to the end. For example, if I have to give an example, I would probably say what Ramya Krishnan ma'am did with Rajnikant sir in the movie called Padayappa. Something like that, a Neelambarika character, I would just love to do, because I always say that is one of the best characters that I've ever seen. And for Ramya Krishnan ma'am to stand at par with Rajnikant sir it's not easy. And she has also said that in many, many, many interviews. And Rajni sir has also said that, especially for that particular film, if there was no Neelambari, there's no Padayappa, because they stood, equal. And the way she's delivered the role, I mean, the way she's done the role is just mind-blowing. And I don't think anybody can match up to her.
Awesome. But now that is changing, and I'm waiting for that time to come when the heroine, I mean, your actors, hero, heroine, doesn't matter. Actors at par with each other, and that day is not par.
I hope it comes soon. I hope it comes up soon. Slowly, it is coming. I mean, obviously, see, the cinema is changing. It's just changing every day. So the thought process is changing every day. So obviously, this will also come up for sure.
And the one change you want to see in the writing as an actor, that these are the kind of scripts you want people to come up with for actors like you.
I mean, see, nowadays, a lot of original scripts are coming. A lot of nice scripts are coming. Yes, there are some which probably, for me as an actor, may not be as convincing to play. But saying that, I won't say that all the roles that are coming up or all the offers that are coming up are very bad or anything. They're really nice. There are some which are very nice, but unfortunately, we're not able to take it up or whatever due to some other prior commitments and things like that. But I can definitely say that, yes, a lot of, original stories are coming up. Very nice stories are coming up, and stories for females are coming up, like the female-oriented cinemas. A lot of roles are being written for the girls, where they can show their, what they are actually, they can show their talent and things like that. So it is broadening up, and definitely it will come up for sure. It's not necessary that all the time, you have to be only playing a romantic lead opposite the hero. It's not necessary. I mean, that is also there. But even so, in that film also, there is some importance for the girl which is being written. It's not only that she's being, the romantic lead, but there's like a background story to her character, and there is something for her to showcase and things like that. So it is changing, and definitely it will change in the future.
Since you worked in both Bollywood and, let's say, Mollywood, Tollywood, whatever woods that we have made our industry, एक क्या difference आपको? एक क्या difference है? Pro and con क्या है? आप बताओ.
See, one thing I can say is South May, and that is all the woods included. South May, we kind of start pretty early. We start at about 8:30 we start, whereas Bollywood, I would say, is probably a little more relaxed in that way, because we start at about 9:30, 10 sometimes, depending on the depending on the scene or depending on the location, depending on whatever they have planned for the day and things like that. So that is one thing that I've seen, and that is I'm talking about from Rakta Charitra and things like that. Ravan ke time pe Mani sir movie, we all started on the dot 6 o'clock. We were out of the hotels. We were traveling to the locations, and there by 8:30, we actually, all of us were on the set, and we started shooting and things like that. But this is one thing that I've noticed generally, because South May we start pretty early. Sometimes they say 7:30 we have to start. So we start by that time, and then they give a small break for breakfast, and then we again come back and continue the shoot and things like that. So that is the only difference I've seen. Apart from that, obviously your language is different and directors are different. And, yeah.
Totally. So now what next? Of course, we are manifesting a film with Song Joong Ki, and Ji Chang Wook, which you and me have to do together.
Yes.
Totally. I am coming on set with you, so I'm manifesting
Done.
that for you.
Done.
So or what can we expect from you?
I have another film with Rana, which is going to come up pretty soon. That's also ready for release. And then I have Medan with Ajay sir. Then I have a couple of other pan-Indian projects which I've signed. But we're still waiting to start because of the pandemic. The shootings have stopped right now, but I think they are easing up little one by one. So I think we should start shooting very soon. Then yeah, apart from that, I've also verbally said yes to another web series. That also will be starting pretty soon. So yeah, for now I have my hands full.
Awesome. And also, lastly, before I go, this pandemic, couples have suddenly discovered new facets to each other's personality. So what is the one thing that you've discovered about your husband that you didn't know?
And nothing, actually. I see, the one thing I can definitely say is I don't think there's anything new that we both have discovered about each other, because see, we were dating for about 8 years before we actually got married. So we know each other like throughout, we both are like open books to each other. So I don't think there's anything new that we have to learn about each other. But probably if and when I start learning to cook, I think that will be the new thing for him that he's gotten to know about me. I think that's the only thing. Apart from that, I don't think anything else.
Also, I hope आपके husband को तो लोग नहीं लिख रहे हैं कैसी बीवी है शुची, ऐसे उनको तो नहीं आ रहा कि उनको भी मिल रहा है.
That's what yesterday, just last night we were chatting, and then I was just telling him that a lot of my friends and a lot of people who have interviewed me, and through the interview I've spoken about Mustafa, and everybody is like, please tell Mustafa that I'm a huge fan. I love Mustafa, this, that, and all. So I passed on the message to him, and I said, Mustafa, see, this is what all the ladies especially they're saying. He said, yeah, I know, ladies love me. I said, why don't guys tell you that they love me? I mean, why don't I get any messages, or why don't I get somebody saying, oh, you know what, I love Priya? He said, yeah, maybe all the guys are saying. I said, no, but why aren't they telling you to tell me? I mean, all of them are telling me to tell you that they love you, but why isn't, it's being reciprocated on the other side? They said, God knows, I don't know. I think I'm more charming than you. I said, yeah, I think so too. There's no denying that he's way more charming than I am.
Arre, come on, you both compliment each other. And all the best. I hope to see you in person. Anyways, we have a
very soon we'll meet up in Delhi, and we're going on our Korean Odyssey.
Date. Annyeong. Thank you.
Annyeong. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.